from Boys to Men. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Today's episode is about Deep Cleaning Saturday. Typically on Saturdays, it's the day that we get down and dirty and we clean and we scrub and we take things out of the refrigerator and we take things out of cabinets and reorganize things. And so it's all about teaching my sons life skills. And I look at these projects, or Deep Cleaning Saturday, as their project managers, and you're going to hear their response of what they take from it each Saturday as we do this. So enjoy the video. It's 2 minutes long, and leave a comment too. Leave a comment on what you would like to see. My name is Israel Johnson, and thank you for staying tuned with us of Boys to Men. Enjoy. Okay, here we are with another episode of Boys to Men, and we just finished Deep Cleaning Saturday, so we're going to ask the boys, what all did we clean? Well, food, they're eating right now. So Joshua needs a second.
I cleaned up the bathroom and I put the pillows from the floor to the couch, to put back on the couch.
All right, Joshua, what all did you clean today?
I sweep and clean the bathrooms of the second and the first floor.
All right. Okay, so every Saturday we clean. Why do we clean, Joshua?
Because it helps the house be organized and nice.
Okay.
So when visitors come, they're like, this is a nice, beautiful house.
Oh.
And also it shows that we appreciate this house.
That's right. We keep it clean for ourselves, for our visitors, and we show that we appreciate the house and we're thankful that God blessed us with a home, right? So last thing is this right here. Also, when we clean, we practice what's called synchronicity. What is that?
It's learning
Teamwork.
and trust ability.
We trust each other to work in our capacities and do our job, right?
Yes.
All right. So there you have it, folks. This is Deep Clean Saturday. I scrubbed out the refrigerator, and it was absolutely disgusting. But we got it done. Now we're enjoying a brunch. Yeah. So we're cooking food now, and this is what we do practically every Saturday. Is we show appreciation for the home by going deep and cleaning. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Boys to Men.